Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to do a bypass on brake pad sensor. This one will be for BMW. Most of the vehicles will be that way too, so if you have a BMW guys and you're tired of that light inside and you put new brake pads, okay, never do that without replacing the brake pads. It's even not recommended to do it. Just get the sensor. It's like $5-10 bucks. We'll have the link in the description of the video. But if you temporarily want to do a bypass, okay, until you get the new one, so you have the annoying light out of the way, we'll show you how it could be done. Okay, not that we'll recommend it, but it could be done. So I'll go inside the vehicle. Okay, you can see that BMW, we got it from Copart. It was hit in the front. You can check it out on Auto Repair guys. Quite a few videos. We have more than 200 videos on this vehicle guys. Please check out the channel. Also, we just started a new channel. I would really appreciate if you give it a subscribe. We're trying to do more electrical videos, codes, engine codes, airbag codes, things like that. So, if I go inside, okay, check out now, we have the brake light on. Brake light on, and it says brake pads are worn to the minimum thickness. And I have the Maxicom here connected, really good too, it works on any car, not just BMW. And I'll go to the stability control, the ABS control, this is the brake control. We'll read the codes. Okay, and check it out. We have a code 5F13 brake pad wear rear axle. So let's go ahead, do the bypass, show you how to do that, and see if the light will go away. Okay, never ever just rely on the jack itself, put it on the jack stand. We'll need to go ahead and remove the wheel. Doesn't matter if it's front or rear, the procedure will be the same. Okay, last one now, so we can pull the wheel off. And usually the rear brake sensor is on the rear right side. The front one is on the front left, like diagonal. Okay, what we're going to do, we'll stuck the wheel under the car, just for safety there. So, now, you can see this one. Okay, let me turn the light on the camera quick. Okay, you can see the brake pad sensor is hanging there. Okay, it's supposed to be there in the middle, it's broken. It has brand new rotors and it has new brake pads. Okay, we noticed that, but whoever did it didn't do the brake pad sensor. So, what we are going to do, okay, right here now, there is two wires when you cut it open. And, okay, we're going to remove the end of it. Make sure your ignition is off, maybe even disconnect the battery. These two wires, you need to peel them now. Okay, let's see if it's going to work lifetime now. Live stream. Again, we will not recommend doing that, but we can show you that it could be done. Okay, and it's very inexpensive sensor. We'll have it in the description of the video so you can check out the link for the one that we purchased that I showed you. The difference between the rear and the front one usually is the linked. Okay, so now we connected the two wires, insulate them, okay, like that. Now, let's go ahead actually and see if the light will go off. Okay guys, and on some models what you have to do after the bypass in order to for the light to go away, okay, you need to turn the ignition on, okay, clear all the messages here until you have the clock and the temperature displayed. Hold this one, triangle will appear, keep holding, let go. Now you need to select the front or rear axle brake pads. Okay, this is the rear ones. You click BC and then you hold, and it will reset the value. For ours is 47,000 miles. After that, okay, we can go ahead and check on the computer here. Okay, we'll go ahead and erase the codes. Yes. Read codes. There is no fault codes detected. And if I start it, there is no brake light. So that's how you do it guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.